Hello, friends. We are starting our organized self employment ministry and budget new sessions. For understanding why we require organized self employment ministry, why we require to purchase truth only terms, why we require fiscal credit salary, and how we can make it organized self-employment ministry in annual budget 108 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, organized self-employment ministry. I am connected from Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. I am Amit Kumar Jha, who has written the book Truth Only Trumps and who is trying to explain the organized self-employment ministry session, that the organized self-employment ministry budget is the requirement of today. Self-employment government job system is required in the democratic way. Infinite population, infinite profession is there. We are suffering from irregular income. We are suffering from so many debacle in employment. We require a connectivity from the constitutional side. All this we are going to discuss by my session Amit Kumar Jha, Organized Self-Employment Ministry and Budget. First of all, we have to make ourselves understand concept-wise that we have to write right of pension. Fundamental rights should be fundamental right. Right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credits showing to certain ministry office should be fundamental right. Direct link to ministry and budget. We should be preamble wise organized employed. We should be preamble wise organized self-employed. Our constitutional life should be between 0 to 18 years and 18 to 58 years, and it should be divided into 4 slab pension: 18, 32, 46, 58 year. In between we will do self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office, that is organized self-employment ministry. Organized self-employment ministry will give a certificate by the trust generated by organized self-employment ministry by purchasing of this book Truth Only Trumps, which is a drama of 6 Hindu family. It is originating from Shiv Puran, that is one family, Shiv Shakti family. The 12 dhoti and 12 Banarsi sari. Then Vishnu Lakshmi Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita, as Ram and Krishna are Vishnu. In the first room, Shiv Shakti welfare power in Shardapur. Second room, Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha. Then we are putting the trust 20 crore Aadhaar card in front of Shiv Shakti, Shiv Puran, Shiv Mandir, Shiv Parvati Mandir. Then we are putting 20 crore Aadhaar card in front of Vishnu Lakshmi, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita. 20 crore Aadhaar card for our work. Then third, Brahma Saraswati Puran, that is ISBN of Hindu, different writers like Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore, Premchand, Subramaniam of Green Revolution, and so many IIT professors, these types of book, so that we will move our civilization with truth, non-violence. 20 crore Aadhaar card. Fourth is the Adi Shakti Jagadamba Durga Sapsati Devi Bhagvat, 20 crore Aadhaar card. In each room we will put 12 Banarsi sari, 12 dhoti. In this room also we will put 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhoti and 20 crore Aadhaar cards of Hindu. Then fifth room, Hindu Varshkrit, Surya Chandrama Navagrah Dhanvantri Kuber Sankadi Muni Saptarishi Dhruv Indra. many types of god and goddess of Hindus who are saviors of Hindus. 20 crore Aadhaar cards, 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhotis. Then fifth, from 20 into 5, these documents of mandir, government history, that is time husband, time wife, coming from these four, and then we are dividing 16.66 into 6 is equal to 100%, and 20 crore Aadhaar card we are putting. The work concept wise in democratic laboratory of Shardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 63973 by Amit Kumar Jha, Truth Only Trumps. One work is generated for our politician brother by trust and faith. 20 crore Aadhaar card is there. One work is generated for our industrial brothers and sisters, documented 12 Jyotirmandir. One work is generated for the educationist, 20 crore documents. One work is generated for the family members, 20 crore documents of Aadhaar card, and one work is generated for the truth and non-violence, Hindu god and goddess, that is we all, and one work is generated for the government issue, that is Sadchayat, because we are trying to interfere the work in the democratic government way. That what I am building in organized self-employment ministry, the faith through the organized self-employment ministry session taken by me, Amit Kumar Jha. Why? Because the work will get acknowledged. One work, one income, one educational certificate, one faith, and one documents will be organized. We will be able to make a organized documented path connected to the parliament from our vote bank. We will become the vote bank of Shiv Shakti, Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha, Brahma Saraswati, in English welfare power, live money, law education, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, all the god and goddess, Hindu god and goddess, and Varshkrit, the various types of Hindu god and goddess, and government is. We will see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan eyes all this book, and we will develop that eye by the Amit Kumar Jha concept, and in the state we will develop the governor house eye for the democratic constitutional development of the path. It will look like a 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan in document form from Shardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 63973 Constitutional work is prepared now, and then we have to generate trust and faith. Document we have to sign in front as directed by Amit Kumar Jha, and we will develop a point of organized self-employment ministry for working 130 crore population. 120 crore we have accommodated of Hindu population, 20 into 6, 120 crore Aadhaar card we are putting, and in this way the work will be generated in organized self-employment ministry and budget, and we will, by the concept of Amit Kumar Jha, will be self-employed. By preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. By this concept, Aadhaar card is already made. The 30,000 above and 30,000 below Aadhaar card and the account number is already linked in PMO and CMO, Prime Minister Office and Chief Minister Office. The work is not linked because this documented work made by me will be linked when you will purchase this book, Truth Only Trumps, when you will join my sessions, organized self-employment ministry and budget session taken by Amit Kumar Jha. By the signature, by joining Amit Kumar Jha organized self-employment ministry budget session, we all will become self-employed government servant. Grade A to grade Z, because life span is from 0 days to 70, 80, 90 years, sometimes 100 years also. Our work is organized. We can take self-transfer from the organized self-employment ministry by writing to our seniors, organized self-employment ministry seniors, because in the ministry there is seniors 18 senior is 32, 32 senior is 46 years seniors, and 46 senior is 58 years seniors, and 58 years seniors the retirement seniors. All are linked in that. When we are signing per month, our attendance, our optional work, because we can work double work in this, because organized self employment ministry is homely type affairs. Office and home both are attached in that. So the optional work are there, because work is generated by the seniors. Seniors inform us by our number that this is the work has come, we have to do that. Fiscal credit is the validity point of income, educational, faith, and certain cash. And from the Truth Only Trumps book, an organized self-employment ministry book, I have made fiscal credit table. Fiscal credit table is allotting fiscal credit salary from the illiterate class, that is 22% of the people are below poverty line. One fiscal credit salary has been prepared from the concept of Amit Kumar Jha, from the 1 to 6 room of Amit Kumar Jha, Shardapur, Lonar, or Darbhanga, Bihar, for the administrative machinery, democratic administrative machinery, and the vote bank 16.66 into 6 for the working of the self-employed worker. We have already made in the concept wise 20 into 6 division of the working class. Industrial, vice versa, we will understand. A person can be Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha Bhakt and he can be politician. A person can be Shiv Shakti Bhakta and he can be politician. Vice versa, both will be industrials. And this vice versa runs in all the 6 family of Hindus. Brahma Saraswati can also be politician and he can also be businessman. Adi Shakti Jagadamba families can also be politician and can be businessman. And Varshkrit Hindu god and goddess can also be politician and can be businessman. And the government can also be the politician and vice versa. So this vice versa runs with each and every one. The working standard is fixed, 30,000 above and 30,000 below. The constitutional machinery will check in democratic way, because we are presenting annual budget 108 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry. On the 10th February to 25 February, in between that we are presenting every year from 15th August 1947. Though it has been started in 1860, roundabout we have made, means we have passed so many years of annual budget, but now we are working budget, because fiscal credit salary is fixed and it will be controlled by the parliament. This is the conceptual idea of working, of infinite population, infinite proportion in organized way, because from that 6 room we can understand that we have already signed the documents and the seniors are knowing that this document is signed by this Aadhaar card person. One thing we have to be very frank, because Hindus are related to each others, because 6 family is there, nationally 6 family is there, from the Rashtrapati Bhavan and from the Governor House. So marriages are from the infinite times. It is common in Shiv Shakti family, Vishnu Lakshmi family members are married, and Vishnu Lakshmi family, Shiv Shakti family members are married. Similarly, vice versa, Vishnu Lakshmi, Brahma Saraswati, Adi Shakti Jagadamba is united Varshkrit god and goddess family, and government family. There is interlink of the family by the marriage system. So we will look this concept with the Rashtrapati Bhavan eye. We will develop it, because the Kailash Shiv Shakti Mandir is going toward Kailash Dham. The Vishnu Lakshmi Ramayana Bhagavad Gita Mandir is going toward Vaikuntha Dham, Shir Sagar Dham. The Brahma Saraswati Mandir, that is ISBN of Hindus, Vivekanand, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Sarojini Naidu, Lata Mangeshkar, Narendra Modi, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Indira Gandhi, Discovery of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, My Experiment with Truth, Rajendra Prasad, Freedom Movement, these types of books, ISBN, Subhash Chandra Bose book, Freedom, these types of book, which is influencing the humanity, Raja Ram Mohan Rai book, these types of Dayanand Saraswati book, these types of book, ISBN paper we will take, assume as Brahma Saraswati, 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhoti, 20 crore Aadhaar card. Automatically it's moving towards Satyadham, the educationist dham, like big IITs, the second lieutenants, the colonel rank people, these types of people, the chief secretary, finance secretary, these types of people. Because learned people, they are knowing each and everything. Collector, SP, IPS officers, they are learned people. They have read different political science concept, democratic concept, Keynes philosophies. So these types of people. So constitutional documents is moving towards Satyam. Then fourth is Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham, that is moving toward Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham. And the fifth is the Varshkrit Dham, that is moving toward the each united Varshkrit Dham. And sixth is the government Dham, it is moving toward government Dham. Now, at the point of Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur Lonar Darbhanga, documented form. In documents we can see, and from 16th February to 26th February and 31st August to 11th September, we worship this by making the ideal, so that we do not forget our work, what work we are doing. We are moving toward 30,000 above. Ideal form. We will celebrate Ramnami, Krishnashtami, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Shivratri, all types of puja. But we will do this for the work, because self-employment, government job is our regular income work. Because on 31st or 1st of the month, salary will automatically come. Yes, of course, limited salary will come, but that will be fixed 12 months. Optional work will be generated in different private sector, because we have already put vice versa 20 crore for the industrial people and 20 crore for the political people. This was not introduced in 1947 and 1950 in Constitution of India. The politician gave the idealistic concept, and what happened? We spent crores and crores of money in annual budget 108 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, and still we are poor, because we have not fixed 10 rupees or 5 rupees salary for the poor person. If we would have fixed at that time 1 rupees or 2 rupees or 3 rupees salaries for the downtrodden people, we would have satisfied. We would have managed by Somvari, Mangalvari, Budhvari, Brahaspativari, Shukrvari, Shanivari, Ravivari. All the Varis Hindus are doing in their home. Today is Somvari Vrat. Today is Mangalvari fast. Today is Budhvari fast. Today is Brahaspativari fast. Today is Shukravari fast. Today is Shanivari fast. Today is Ravivari fast. If the regular salary, the self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing system would have come, we would have been self-employed. What we want? If 10, 20, 30 rupees is organized by the government and government is giving us status, we would be happy to become self-employed government servant. For only emergency purpose like daughter marriage, or someone wants to build big money, they will work like this. And we are attached to the ministry. Ministry is the guardian of we all. And ministry is controlled by the Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Puran, Brahma Saraswati Puran, the ISBN stalwarts books, Durga Saptashti, the Varshkrit, Hindu god and goddess Varshkrit, the government is. We will divide into 6 parts. We will attach it in PMO, Prime Minister Office, and CMO Office. We will become the vote banks of the parliament. 750 MPs, 4,000 MPs, MLAs. By their clear call, they will be our senior representative who will represent in the parliament. Every 5 years, we will also see that what they are doing, and we also will do our work. In the meanwhile, we can do the work in the private sector. Private sector is also getting one Rashtrapati Bhavan I and 20 crore Aadhaar card constitutionally. And the politicians are also getting Rashtrapati Bhavan I and 20 documents and 20 crore. Educationists are also getting 20 crore Aadhaar card and the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and Governor I. Family members are also getting Rashtrapati Bhavan I and 20 crore documents of Aadhaar card. And the Varshkrit god and goddess are also getting. And the government is also getting. 6 unborn family and their children. We all children, Ganesh, Skand, Kartika, Hanumanji and all, are attached to our father and mother. We obey our father and mother. What we require is organized work. That is why I am doing this session, for making you understand. Until and unless you will not generate, you will not purchase this truth only terms, you will not join Amit Kumar Jha session of organized self-employment ministry. You will not develop the faith of organized self-employment ministry and budget. In 1950, if we would have attached this organized self-employment ministry, India is a populous country. It is coming in the belt where the population is high. We have to make the provision according to that. Basically, the newcomers faces the employment problem, but old comer is also facing. But what is happening with the old comer is that the responsibility of the people comes so much that they are not able to speak up. And by the time they will speak, it is time to go for the heaven. Because there is no way out. Where to speak now? Because from 20 years to 30 years we were settling ourselves. And when we settled, we try to control our settlement so that if we will try to move here and there, we will fall from the job. Again problem. So better do that. And by the time we retire, then it's time to go. So we have to understand this. In between that, we have to make organized self-employment ministry, and this will generate the work, organized work, which will generate organized income. The organized documented path I have already made from Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, from the 6th room of my house, so that it can directly reach to the parliament, and people will, and we all will get self-employed, and then automatically the parliament will be our guardian. 6 guardians are there in parliament. One is looking the ministerial, that is political part. One is doing ministerial industrial part. One is doing the ministerial educational part. One is doing the ministerial family part. One is doing the ministerial truth and non-violence part. One is doing the ministerial government part. All these are coming from the Hindu documents. The Hindu 6 family, which we are seeing from the Rashtrapati Bhavan High, which we are seeing from the Governor House. We will worship by putting 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhoti into 6, that is 72 Banarsi sari and 72 dhotis. And in this way we will spread this in the Governor House also. And like that we can develop a proper system of organized self-employment ministry and budget, which will give a regular income. A regular income of certain fiscal credit by the organized self-employment ministry, by the concept wise, by the aura of the documents which we are worshipping, which I am propagating. We are generating a fiscal credit salary. The work is in our mind, but regular income is not there. That is why that validity is not getting. By organized self-employment ministry, that validity we are giving. Because if you will trust me, parliament will trust you, and we all will trust each other, and that trust will generate a faith, and that will generate organized self-employment ministry entry in the parliament and Vidhan Sabha. And we will have 3 budget: annual budget, one ministry; railway budget, one ministry; and organized self-employment ministry. All these sessions which I am doing for the sake of generation of organized self-employment ministry and budget by this book. Once you will develop the faith in truth only terms, which I have written in 2001. Now it is passing 20 years, it is passing. In 2001 I wrote, now it is 2021. Regularly I am passing the sessions, I am doing the sessions, regularly I am doing the work, I am writing to the various ministries in different forms, postcard and different envelopes, in different letters. The acknowledgements come from the trust and faith generated by the people. Until and until people will not generate trust, faith, they will not join my session, organized self-employment ministry and budget. Yes, this is Amit Kumar Jha. We are working in his session, documented form, signaturing the documents. All documents in the visual forms is ready in 1 to 6 room of Amit Kumar Jha. The Shiv Shakti Mandir documents, the Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha Mandir document, the Brahma Saraswati Law Education ISBN document, the Adi Shakti Jagadamba Mandir documents, the each United Varshkrit ISBN documents, and the government history documents. the trust, faith, and political faith. We have to acknowledge the time has come. This is 2021. The industrial people and the political people require a work. That work is coming from the organized, putting the Aadhaar card. State wise also, if the population of the state is suppose 10 crore, suppose 12 crore, that means Hindus population is 12 crore, that means 6 into 12, to 2 crore each. Shiv Shakti family, Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna family, Brahma Saraswati, that is educational family, Adi Shakti Jagdamba family 2 crore, and each united God and Goddess, Varshkat God and Goddess 2 crore, and the government ministry 2 crore, means 12 crore. We are putting the Aadhaar card 6 into 2, 12 crore, and we are giving state wise, suppose Uttar Pradesh or Bihar, organized self-employment ministry and budget Uttar Pradesh, they are having the annual budget, organized self-employment ministry and budget Bihar, and work is generated by the documents. We are working under Chief Minister and Vidhan Sabha representative, Vidhan Parishad representative in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, and this work will be optional because ministry has less work, because it is 100% we are living in this. We are homely also living, and we are family wise, and DNA we are related already, because all these families, Shiv Shakti, Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha, Brahma Saraswati, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, each united Varshkat God and Goddess, and government are married with each other, because someone from this side is married to that side and someone from that side is married to that side. So DNA, RNA is also related. Maternal uncle, the paternal uncle, all are related to each other. Requirement is of generation of the faith, truth in ourselves. We have to generate organized self-employment ministry, faith and truth. Employment will come when we will understand that this is employment. We are earning salary from this. Then what will happen? We will give fiscal credit salary from the governor and from the CMO. They can check us. Anytime they can come to our ministry. 72 member circles we will make in each circle, from the village to the block to the district level to the state level and to the central level. In that way 72 circle A, B, C we can make. According to qualification we can make. There are so many ways to do create work. Acknowledgement it from the regular income side. Double work we can easily do, and this organized self-employment will be optional one, because the senior organized self-employment minister will know the phone numbers of each workers who are working in organized self-employment ministry and budget. They can easily call. Since we are looking from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor House I, the CMO and governor as well as our industrial brother will keep an. They will not face any labor problem in that, and double salary and covering of the fiscal credit salary will come. Political vote bank will also be organized, because we are basically 16.66 into 6 part is equal to 100%. There is safety measures also of court martial range between the two families. If any family wants to capture the vote of the other family, they have to take court martial range in 19 years canvas, leading from per month going to the Thana by writing that I have taken court martial. And vice versa, each family have this court martial range. Means immediately a person cannot torn the documents, because once we are signing the documents between the 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan I angle of Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Brahma Saraswati Puran, Durga Saptati, and the government city Varshkat versus 6 angle of Rashtrapati Bhavan and Governor House of 6 vote, because they all are getting in different dhamas. But we are living on this earth from 0 to 70 to 80 to 90 years here on this earth. Every day we are living, and marriage and other festivals are attached to us. Apart from this, we are celebrating Ramnami, Krishnashtami, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Saraswati Puja, and different types of puja. Apart from this, constitutionally for the work we have made I have made 16 February to 26 February and 31st August to the 11th September puja, for making ideal development of these documents into ideal form, and then we are worshipping and then merging the idol in the water, so that the emotions will be attached, the revision of the work will be done, and we will continue with that. And fiscal credit salary, for the revival of the fiscal credit salary, We will have self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing Finance Commission of India. It can be possible by the faith and trust of the various sessions of organized self-employment ministry and budget which I am taking. The work will come by the faith and trust in you. You have to purchase this book. You have to generate faith in me. You have to generate. We will all try to convince each other. Automatically, the cross of various types of questions will generate a proper development in the setup, and a regular income will come. And regular income will solve the problem and will become self-employed. There was a Herculean task of Election Commission of India, because before 1947 we were not having electoral certificate to each and every one. We were fighting for national movement, but 100% voting was not there. But the politician of those days, 31st August 1946, they totally keep faith on the public, and they were able to generate that faith. And now today, which each and every person has the election commission, as well as election commission card, as well as Aadhaar card. The vote banks are deal like this only. Now the work is also involved. I am trying to involve the work because I am coming from 2001 group of politicians who is working in this field for generating regular income. Because without regular income, parliamentary intervention, we cannot enjoy our life. Because one certain income is required from the part of the organized self-employment ministry. Because every time we have less capital, and that we can that is always problematic for the middle class family and the lower class family. And this is possible by your efforts. When you will support, you will read truth only terms, you will try to manage the affairs in the proper manner. You will faith on truth only terms. You will try to understand truth only terms. The views of generating organized self-employed. Each and every person will be organized self-employed by the concept. But your faith, the faith of 29 chief ministers of India, the faith of Prime Minister of India, the faith of President of India, the faith of the documents is required. I have complete faith on the documents, the various documents which is coming of Shiv Shakti Mandir, the various documents which is coming from Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha Mandir, the various document which is coming from ISBN, books which Hindus has written, the various document which is coming from Durga Mandir and various types of Jagdamba Mandir, the various documents which is coming from Varshkit ISBN Varshkit, Mandirs of Hindu, and various documents of governments. I have completely faith on that. The democratic discussion will lead to the sixth family. If we will see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan, why it is going to the different direction. Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Shraddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united Varshkit, God and Goddess Dham, and government is Sri Dham. Six Dham they are going. All are culminating at the point of Prime Minister office and CMO office. The vote bank is already done. We have to make the organized self-employment ministry by signing the documents. That signing documents will make the availability of the fiscal credit salary. Because if government will start acknowledging that India is a overpopulated country, employment is a big problem, we will make constitutional provision in our employment. Each and everyone will be alert. Why we wear helmet while we are moving outside on two-wheeler? Just because to save our head. Why we wear belt when we are moving on the car? Just because any jerk or any type of break we will take, our body will be safe. Similarly, this constitutional document is there. Code martial range is there, which I have made in organized self-employment ministry and budget. This is the new technology, new democratic laboratory, which is trying to explain the new system by which we will be organized self-employed. Why I am putting in front of Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Puran, Brahma Saraswati Puran, Adi Shakti Jagdamba Puran, Varshkit and government, Hindu government God and Goddess 20 into 5, 16.66 into 6, Aadhaar card 20 crore into 6, state wise 12, 2 into 6, that is 12 crore. What does it mean? The employment and the share is based on the Hindu mythology. Father and mother in Hindu mythology give equal property to their sons and daughters. If there is 10 acres and 2 sons are there, 2 acres. If 3 sons are there, 3.15 acres. Like this they are dividing. Why? Because mother, father give equal. That is why Aadhaar card I am putting in the socialist manner. And work we are doing in the capitalist manner. Why? Because we have the capital aptitude. The expert will automatically take all. But the guaranteed they are seeing from the Aadhaar card angle. 20 crore is fixed. Everyone is clever and everyone is truth. Everyone want to support each other. Guaranteed paper is there, which will generate employment. And this employment, we have to understand. We have to share organized self-employment ministry and budget sessions to each and every one. We have to work together and regular income will come. I have made in 2001, 2021 it is, I am trying my 100% to generate self-employment regular income to one and all. I have vowed that if I will be able to convince, I will try my each and every effort to convince each and every person who is a democratic, peaceful, luxurious life lover, that we can make self-employment government system in little bit adjustment in our constitutional mind, what we have adjusted in equality, liberty, fraternity. Life has changed today. Today we are living in Google times. The Election Commission of India, voter card with photo we have, Aadhaar card with photo we have. Our account is linked to the parliament. What is not linked is one work, one income, one educational certificate, one faith and organized self-employment ministry, which I have made from Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. By purchasing book Truth Only Trumps, you can easily make this by signing the documents, and we will become vote bank, and this vote bank will strictly going to the Parliament of India and Vidhan Sabha of India. Our political brother will definitely get the equilibrium point. We will also get the equilibrium point 30,000 above and 30,000 below, because 70% of the people are below 30,000 per month earner, and 30,000 is earning above per thousand. This gap is generating a fear among each other, and employment is fully disturbed, and due to this 22% poverty ridden people are still maintaining, and population is increasing because we have no other substitute. We have to come up together with the documents, because documents has been the part of civilization. Our ancestors has made mandir. What does it mean? They had full faith in Shiv Shakti, Vishnu, Lakshmi, Brahma, Shri, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba. Each united world should God as a government issue. Democratic faith. What they lacked in 1950 was organized self-employment ministry and budget, which I am trying to emphasize. Time has come. We have to make vote bank. We have to give rights that yes, industrial people also require 20 crore unity property which is coming from the mandir, and the politician also require 20 crore property coming from, because work is required for both. What we are earning from each other, it is okay, but the constitutionally what we are getting, it is coming from the documents only. The confidence which our mother father has given to us, the mandir is giving to us by Amit Kumar Jha concept, that we have to understand. The regular income will supervise us in a confident manner in working. When we wake up in the morning, we will be say yes, we are organized self-employed in grade A, grade B, grade C, grade D according to the qualification, because now educational certificate will have capital value. I am trying to emphasize through the various type of organized self-employment ministry session. You have to come up, you have to understand organized self-employment ministry. Purchase this book from me. We have to join organized self-employment ministry budget session for the development of India, for the development of self, the luxurious life. If we want to develop with regular income, it is possible by the document signature, which I am trying to emphasize in the various sessions of organized self-employment ministry and budget. We can easily manage this. The aura of 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhoti into 6, that is 76 Banarsi sari and 76 dhoti is great. Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Puran, Brahma Saraswati Puran, Durga Saptati, Hindu Sanskrit, government Ishwari. All this aura is great. We have to develop faith and work together in truth and non-violence way, in democratic way, and work for our society. We should become organized self-employment ministry, and we should purchase truth only trumps. We should attend organized self-employment ministry session and join Amit Kumar Jha organized self-employment ministry session. Thank you.